so today I'm going to use medication caps to decorate badge reels. Let's get started. So, let's see. There are different ways you can make flowers for badge clips. You can have a 5-petal or a 6-petal. Those are the main, like, basic two. So, for the 5-petal, of course, you would need 5 of the small medication caps, and then a larger one for the center. There's a 6-petal flower, and you would need, of course, 6 of the small medication caps and a larger center. For the 5, you could use a small center as well, but I just think it looks better with the larger center. So the first thing you want to do is turn over your caps. I'm just going to show you both of these at the same time. And if you notice, I'm putting them in sets of 2, because that's how I'm going to glue them. Sets of 2, just like that. And then just make sure they're touching. That's very important that they're touching. You're going to pretty much make a bridge of glue connecting the 2 caps together. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Squeeze the glue just like that. Just to bridge the 2 caps together. So I'm going to do that for all of the pairs. So just squeeze a nice amount of glue because you don't want it to fall apart. And then once the glue dries, you can pull out all the excess glue that's just hanging around. So I like to let this dry a few minutes before I start playing around with it and putting it together to make the actual flowers. Alright, so it looks like the glue is pretty much dry. Now what I'm going to do is position them exactly the way that I want them, where they are all touching. So you see that's going to make the 5-petal, and this one, just put it together like this, and that's going to make the 6-petal. You definitely want them all touching. Now I'm going to bridge all of the pieces that are not glued together. So I'm going to bridge these 2 together right here, and right there. And then for the 5-petal flower, I'm going to bridge it together here, here, and there. So that way when we're all done, there's a bridge of glue connecting every single medication cap. There we go, and again we're gonna let this dry. So these are all dry, you see. Now you just turn them over and you're going to take the center cap and we're going to hot glue it right in the middle. Same with this one, you're gonna take it and hot glue it right in the center. Like that. And then I like to turn them over, and then just for extra reinforcement, put hot glue in the center. So you don't want it to fall apart when it's on your badge reel. Just like that. And then I let it dry for a little while. Alright, now that they are completely dry and they're all together, it feels nice and sturdy. Okay. You're going to take the badge reel and we are going to hot glue the flower onto the badge reel. Now you can either put hot glue all around the reel and just sit it on like that. There's a possibility of glue showing from the corners. If you don't care, then that's fine. The other thing you can do is put hot glue on the back of the flower and then sit it on there. That's what I'm going to do. Try to place it right in the center. Just like that. We're going to let that dry. Gonna do the same thing with this one. So there you have it, 2 very cute badge reels. And I just wanted to show you, here's another one that I have about adding the extra smaller one to the center. So if you like, I think they look very cute like this, but if you like having a little extra something that you want to add to the center, you just take a small medicine cap, put hot glue all around it, and glue it right in the center, just like that. So I think all of these are very cute and adorable, simple and sweet.